Hello there, you amazing people. So from this video, we'll be learning our new section where we will be learning that how can we modify our Excel worksheet. So in this module, we'll be seeing how can we move and copy data within our Excel worksheet, how can we rename and delete our Excel worksheet, how can we insert and delete rows and columns, and how can we change the width and height of our cells, and how can we hide and unhide our rows and columns, and at last how can we move and copy our Excel worksheets. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this video we'll be learning that how can we move and copy our data inside our Excel worksheet. For example, I have this table created from our earlier videos. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this portion and I'm going to show you that how can I move this. First of all, copy this within our worksheet and then cut it and paste it in a separate worksheet. In order to copy paste it, what I can do is that I can press Ctrl plus C, and then wherever I have to place it, for example, I want to place it here, I'm going to paste it by Ctrl plus V. My data gets copied here. By Ctrl plus Z, I can undo this. Alright. Now, let us see how can we move this table. So I'm going to select the portion of the table that I want to move. For example, I want to move this whole portion. Then I'm going to the green boundary where I can see this type of cursor cross formed by arrows, and then I will click and drag it to whichever position I want. For example, here. So this is how you can move it. By pressing Ctrl plus Z, I can undo this. Now let us move this in some other worksheet. What I can do is that I can, for example, select the portion that I want, then I can press Ctrl plus C, copied it, and then I can go to some other sheet and then paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V. In this way, I have copied paste my table. Now I can press Ctrl plus Z in order to undo it. Now let us cut this. In order to cut this, select the portion that you want to cut and then press Ctrl plus X. So Ctrl plus X, and in this way I have cut this sheet. Now I can paste it. I can either go to a cell and press enter. In this way I have pasted it here, or I can select a cell and press Ctrl plus V in order to paste it. I can do the same for the other sheet. I can go to the other sheet and then paste it wherever I want by pressing Ctrl plus V or pressing enter to one of the cell. So this is how you can copy paste it. There is some other way to do the same. What I can do is that I can select my table and then I can go to my home tab and then click on cut or copy, whichever thing you want. So this is how you can copy, paste and move your contents, the data inside your Excel worksheet. So now let us summarize whatever portion we have learned till now. So let us summarize whatever we have learned till now. So in order to copy my data, what I can do is that I can either go to my home tab, then I can click on the copy button, or I can press Control C in order to copy it, and to paste it I can press Control V. In order to cut this, what I can do is that I can either go to my home tab and press my scissors icon, that is my cut icon, my scissors icon, or I can press Control plus X in order to cut it, and to whichever place I want to paste it, for example in some other cell, either I can press enter or I can press Control plus V, which is a short form for pasting. So that was all for today, guys. In this video we learned that how can we move and copy our data within our Excel worksheets. So in the next video we'll be learning that how can we rename and delete our Excel worksheet. We will meet in our next video. Until then, bye bye.